A wise person once said that life moves pretty fast. If you don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it. That's why I started meditating in the morning. Don't get me wrong. At first, I didn't want to do it. I'd tell myself things like, I don't have the time, or it's not going to do anything. And sometimes I still try to talk myself out of it. But I never actually regret a meditation session, so I find it funny that the very things that are good for us, things like exercise and meditation, those are the things that cause discomfort, and yet pushing past that discomfort is exactly what's going to make our lives better. Meditation has helped me start to notice the good in my life. If I can't even spare a few minutes for myself, then what kind of life am I really living?
I wanna go hard, I wanna have fun, I wanna be happy, could you show me how it's done? You look so pretty, pretty like the sun. I could watch forever while you shine on it.
My journey has been slow, but I'm starting to notice things, like these flowers. It hits different when you realize they won't be around forever.
Like the sun, I could watch forever while you shine.
Our time here is so limited and so precious, even though it might not always feel that way. If we let that idea sink in, it can change the way we see things. It can give us the courage to love deeper than we ever have, to forgive those who have wronged us, and to be gentler with ourselves, because we're doing the best that we can. We can't let social media or ads tell us what's important. We need to listen to ourselves and our unique experiences. If we stop and look around once in a while, we might not like what we see. We might find that we feel lonely, that things get chaotic and overwhelming. It's in these moments that I find strength, by remembering the little things that make life great. There's the satisfaction of cleaning my place, fresh sheets, and peppermint tea. The laughter that I share with friends, road trips to far-off places. The sound of the waves on the shore reminding me how vast and beautiful the world is. Our lives are made up of these tiny, beautiful moments. So if I knew today was my last day, it's these moments that I would miss the most. When I think about the things that I'm grateful for, the world gets brighter, and it starts to push away all of these feelings of fear and scarcity, and I start to notice the abundance that surrounds me. And it makes me so happy when I hear from you. So leave me a comment and let me know. What are you grateful for? What are some of those small things that give you joy? One of my favorite ways to practice gratitude is when I'm going for a walk somewhere, and I make it my goal to list off as many things as I possibly can. I imagine that I'm in my apartment and I'm noticing all of these things like my shower, my towels, my face wash. As I'm listing these things, I find that I'm progressively developing a more positive mood, and there's a smile that's formed on my face. By focusing on these tiny, beautiful things, it really puts the negative things in perspective. Here's something that I'm learning. Those tiny, beautiful things, They're just as worthwhile as a career or larger aspirations. It's okay to not be perfect. It's okay to not be productive all the time. Sometimes the greatest joy is from simply being here right now. This channel is all about finding beauty and grace amidst the chaos and developing the courage to live our truths. So if this video resonated with you, please make sure to like and subscribe because it really helps small channels like mine grow. And as always, I will see you in the next one.